In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Betterment, the Robo Advisor that promises to automate your investing, help you set goals, do the heavy lifting, and let you focus on life. If you're wondering whether Betterment is worth it in 2025, we're breaking it down, what it does well, what to watch out for, and whether it fits you. First, what Betterment does very well. It's built around automation, goal-based investing, and low-cost portfolios. With Betterment, you can set a goal: retirement, saving for a house. Whatever you choose, answer some questions about your risk tolerance, and Betterment builds you a diversified portfolio of low-cost ETFs. It does automatic rebalancing. It offers tax loss harvesting and taxable accounts, cash reserve and checking account style features, and the barrier to entry is very low. Many reviews highlight the fact that you can get started with just a very small amount of money. It also provides socially responsible investing, ESG options, so if you care about how your money is invested beyond just returns, that's a plus. Now, for the flip side, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, the fee structure. Betterment's digital plan charges roughly 0.25% per year, and there's a premium tier that goes up to around 0.40% or more if you want ongoing human advisor support. That's still very competitive in the advisor world, but if your balance is very small or if you're comfortable managing your own portfolio, that fee might feel heavy compared to DIY brokerage options. Also, although tax loss harvesting and automation are strong, if you're an active trader, like picking individual stocks, or you want the deepest customization, Betterment may feel limiting. Some users report their returns have lagged behind broader market indices, especially during certain periods of heavy U.S. stock market outperformance. One reviewer said, "My internal rate of return is only about 5.3% over 5 years, compared to S&P's 10%. That kind of feedback shows that automation does not guarantee outperformance. It guarantees discipline. Also, access to full human advisor support requires a higher minimum balance, typically $100,000. So if you want personal advisor calls, you'll need to pay or qualify for that tier." Another small note, Betterment updated its portfolios recently for 2025. The company is increasing U.S. stock exposure and reducing some international and emerging market allocations. So what you signed up for may shift slightly over time, which is fine for most, but worth knowing if you like to track allocations closely. So, who is Betterment for? If you're a beginner or someone with moderate investing experience who wants a set it and forget it style, who does not want to pick stocks every week, and who cares about low cost, automation, ease of use, Betterment is a very strong choice. The interface is user-friendly, everything is mobile accessible, and the features make you feel like you're investing without having to think about every decision. And hey, if the Robo is doing the math for you, you've got more brain space for coffee, friends, and living life. Yes, one light joke there. On the other hand, if you're an advanced investor who wants to pick individual companies, time the market, build highly customized portfolios, or minimize fees as much as possible via other brokers, then maybe you'll outgrow Betterment and want a platform with more flexibility and lower costs for high balances. My verdict: Betterment delivers what it promises: easy, automated investing suitable for building wealth over time, and it does so at a good price. Just make sure you understand the fee structure, the level of control you want, and that your expectations for returns match a diversified portfolio rather than a beat-the-market mindset. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Betterment or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of investing apps and financial tools.